Hi, good afternoon. My name is Finian Parrick. I'm the CEO of Minibems. We face a global problem today, which is that 25% of the heating fuel that is drawn into buildings is not actually transferred into useful heating or hot water. Additionally, building managers and owners don't receive performance information and only see gas bills. Over the last 4 years, we've developed a control and monitoring system that optimises heating systems to only consume the fuel necessary and provide data for optimisation. We have invested more than £1 million to date, and in the last month have received a further 100k grant, secured a 350 apartment block project, and won a contract with a pan-European heating product manufacturer to embed Minibems in their product. Today, we're looking for an investment of £500,000 to scale up the business, achieve greater market penetration, and become the European market leader in heat network control. So Minibems is like a hive or a nest, which sits on a wired or wireless network to provide distributed but connected control of whole buildings. Heat networks are now the leading approach to heating apartment blocks in London and other cities, where a communal boiler plant provides heat to all the flats and apartments. 50,000 new flats and houses go onto heat networks in the UK each year, and there are 250,000 existing properties on heat networks. So we install one of these Minibems controllers into every property on a heat network to provide control, online monitoring, and integrated billing services. Instead of just providing on-off control via the internet, this controller actually provides real-time control of pumps, valves, collects sensor information for control and monitoring purposes. So heating systems today deliver heat to buildings too fast and too hot. When you deliver more heat to a building than it needs, some of that heat is wasted. Minibems delivers heat to buildings at the rate that they're using it, and that means that we only draw in the fuel in each moment that the building needs. This typically delivers a 25% fuel and carbon saving. Most building energy management systems data log every 15 minutes and throw the data away after a week. Minibems is built on the latest embedded computing and cloud technology stack and delivers 10-second level granularity of data so that building managers can see the position of every valve and the speed of every pump on a system. If you consider that a heat network with a couple of hundred flats on it will have typically a couple of hundred pumps and a couple of hundred valves, this means that from a pure facilities management point of view, more savings can be made. So I'm the founder, visionary and business leader behind Minibems. I have previously grown a commercial heating installation business to £3 million turnover and a channel sales distribution business to £10 million turnover. I've worked in the renewables and energy efficiency sector for more than 15 years, and through this time have identified these market failures. Around me, I have a team of software developers, mechatronic engineers, product development managers, and sales and marketing professionals. Our channel sales is conducted through 3 main channels. We currently have 2 manufacturer partners, having just signed Giacomini, who are a 400 million turnover Italian factory selling 3,000 heating stations into the UK market every year into flats. We're currently engineering our product platform into their units so they can be factory fitted, ready for supply to the UK market. With WSP Parsons Brinkhoff, we've just secured a 350 flat scheme for a housing association that will be installed at the end of this summer. WSP have championed the product Minibems for us, for their client, recognising the significant features and benefits it delivers. We've recruited a number of commercial heating businesses to become Minibems resellers and product ambassadors and provide installation and ongoing support services. So Minibems has benefited from over £1 million of investment from myself and grant funding. We have this month been awarded a further £100,000 by Innovate UK for adding new features and benefits to the product platform. However, systems are being installed today. We have a UK IPO patent application pending, and in terms of competition, the only comparable solution would be a bespoke building management system, which is simply unviable to install from a cost point of view into individual flats. Over the next few months, we'll be delivering the 350 flat project I talked about, a new manufacturer project. We generate revenue in two ways. So we charge an initial Minibems controller and software setup fee, and then ongoing software fees annually. We're looking for an investment of £500,000 to grow the business through partner acquisition, both certified installation and service partners, manufacturing partners, and through specification sales with consulting engineering firms. If you'd like to be part of the solution to the global problem of inadequate building control, then please come and talk to me. Thank you.